Hi, my name is Joe Marcantonio, Teen Librarian at the Schaumburg Township District Library, and this is the Quaranteened Cooking Show. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Chilaquiles. It's a Mexican breakfast dish, and it's one of my absolute favorites. And I was really excited to stumble upon this recipe that teaches you how to make it in the microwave. So we're going to start with our ingredients. What you're going to need is egg, milk, a tablespoon of salsa, some cheese, melting cheese, any kind will do, your tortilla chips. You're going to need 5 tortilla chips, 3 before and 2 for after, chili, green onions, and crumbling cheese. Alright, oh, and crema. Can't forget that. Alright guys, so we're going to start with your mug. Crack your egg. A little bit of milk, about a tablespoon of milk. Go ahead and mix that up real good. And you're going to add the cheese. And break up your tortilla chips. Stir to coat the whole thing. At this point, if you wanted to add a little salt and pepper, I think it's got enough salt from the tortilla chips for me. Add a little pepper. Give it one final stir. And top it with the salsa. Alright. Now we're going to pop this in the microwave for about a minute to a minute and a half. This is another egg recipe, so you're going to want to make sure that the eggs are done. So keep playing with your microwave and figure out what you're going to need to do to make it. I'm going to start with a minute and keep adding from there. Alright guys, the egg is set. You're going to break your remaining tortilla chips right into there. Add some green onion. This is the crumbling cheese right on top of there. And then of course, you guys don't know about crema. It's the Mexican version of creme fraiche. It's a little fattier than sour cream, and it tastes wonderful. Just put a good helping of that right on top. And there you've got a cheater's version of Chilaquiles. Alright? I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and click on the Schaumburg Library and see what else we've got going on. Thanks for joining us.